Want to study for an MBA abroad to gain global experience and boost your career? I know what you are thinking. MBA abroad sounds super expensive, right? What if I told you that you can pursue a top tier MBA in Europe or Asia for an amount significantly less in the USA or UK, often under 20 lakh with scholarship available? Today I am sharing the top 5 affordable countries for MBA along with tuition fees, living expenses, post-study work visa options, leading universities and government or university scholarship to reduce cost. Let's dive in. The first one is Germany. It is famous for its popular business program and innovation hubs. Germany pushes practical skills and leadership. Tuition fees at public universities are often extremely low or even free, but for MBA, they can cost around 10 to 25 lakh. Here, living cost is 90,000 to 1 lakh per month. Plus, you can get 18-month post-study work visa to hunt for job. Top universities such as Humboldt University, Berlin School of Economics and Law, and Grenoble École offers stellar programs with financial support. The DAD scholarship from the German government provides a stipend of 992 euros plus health insurance and sometimes travel costs too. Next, Netherlands. This chill, forward-thinking spot emphasizes sustainability and global business with English taught programs everywhere. Here, tuition fees are approx 12 to 25 lakh for students, but top one hit 35 to 45 lakh affordable compared to UK. Here, living expenses are about 80,000 to 1 lakh per month. And here, you can get 1 year post-study work visa. Top universities where you can study are the University of Amsterdam, Maastricht University, Radboud University, which also offers Holland scholarship with a total amount of 5,000 euro to reduce your expenses. Third, Italy. Blending rich culture, fashion and luxury management, Italy's MBA are very creative. Universities charging 16 to 25 lakh and living cost around 70,000 to 1 lakh per month. And here you will get 12-month residence permit post-study to find work or launch a venture. Universities like SJ Bocconi School of Management, Politecnico di Milano and Louis Guido shines with affordable options. Along with that, the Italian government scholarship offers 900 euro stipend per month to cover tuition fees and health insurance. Fourth, Ireland. Ireland's MBA offers a vibrant blend of innovation and global business focus with strong ties to the tech and financial industries. Here, tuition fees range from 8 to 38 lakh and living expenses range from 80,000 to 1 lakh per month. Post-study graduates can stay for up to 24 months under the third level graduate scheme to seek employment with the option to extend their stay with work permit. Top universities in Ireland include University College Dublin, Trinity College Dublin and many more. Mostly provide merit-based scholarship to reduce tuition fees by up to 50% or sometimes 100%. Such as UCD Global Excellence Scholarship. Lastly, we have Singapore, Asia's buzzing business hub for financial and tech. Singapore delivers high ROI MBAs in the multicultural melting pot. Here, tuition fees are approx 40 to 70 lakh for the program, but scholarship make it budget friendly. Living costs are around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh per month. Here you can get 1 year of post-study work visa and then you can switch to employment pass. The National University of Singapore, Nanyang Technological Universities and other are the leading universities in the Singapore. Many of those offers scholarships like the NTU Nanyang President's Graduates Scholarship that cover full tuition fees and monthly stipend of 3,000 Singapore dollar. The Government Asian Scholarship for Southeast Asian cover full tuition fees plus stipend. Apply through university portals with excellent academics and work experience. There you go. Germany, Netherlands, Italy, Ireland and Singapore, your gateway for an affordable world-class MBA with elite spots like Mannheim, Rotterdam, Bocconi, IE, NUS plus scholarships. Your global business dream is closer than ever. Need more tips? Drop a comment which university sparks your interest. Hit like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for more study abroad hacks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.